Mohsin asked me a question, and this question goes like, I want to have a full beard, but my beard is patchy. Mohsin is having a problem. I don't know if I have pronounced this name correctly, but Mohsin is having a challenge with a beard. I think he wants to get answers about what he can do if he wants to eliminate patchiness. There are things that you can do to eliminate patchiness on your face. If you want a full beard, I also want a full beard. I'm also trying to grow a full beard. If you look nicely on my face, I'm also facing the same challenge. There are some things that you and I can do to actually eliminate patchiness on our face. The first thing that we can do to eliminate patchiness on our face is to let our beard grow. Don't shave, just let your beard grow, and with time you start seeing that those patchy areas are starting to grow the beard. This is a common problem that all beard growers face. Others, they don't have this patchiness because they reach the stage where they don't have to face beard patchiness anymore. But us, if you are younger, if you are under 20, if you are under 25, don't worry about having a full beard yet. Maybe it's because you have low testosterone. Improve and boost your testosterone levels by exercising, having enough sleep, and just taking care of yourself. And the third thing that you can do to improve and to eliminate beard patchiness is to start using a beard growth oil. Beard oil also helps to grow a beard.